I have a lot of ideas about how people should live, but so does everybody else. You know, we all got ideas about how everybody should. I didn't want it to be able to point to something. This is not just my bright idea about how you should live. You know, this is how I'm living, and I suggest that you might want to gain something from looking at it. Hello, everyone. Thank you for visiting. My name is Joe Hollis. I'm sitting on the porch of my house at Mountain Gardens, my property. It's in Yancey County. It's at the foot of the highest mountains in eastern North America, actually. 2.8 acres of land, which I purchased in 1972, right up against the National Forest. It just kind of fell in my lap, accidentally or by fate, whatever. So I knew I was going to spend my life just doing one particular experiment, you might say, of how to live on Earth. And I wanted to address these problems at these different levels. At the planetary level, address like what's going on with Gaia, and on the social level, just address the whole idea of warfare, economic injustice, all those things. And then on the personal level, of course, I want to be healthy and happy. That's what everybody wants. So I took a lot of my inspiration from Daoist philosophy, which I've ascribed to ever since I was in high school, and first read The Way and the Power by Arthur Waley's translation of the Dao De Ching. They talk about flying through the air. You know, it's just like your life just becomes this effortless flow because you're in sync with the Tao.
Thank you so much for watching. I'm Jeremy. I'm the creative director of Ayurprana Plus. To watch the rest of this film and our growing library of inspiring stories and practices, go to ayurpranaplus.com and you can get a 7-day free trial.